Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stud finders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, these tools can make your projects smoother and safer. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Python Grips Wall Scanner and Metal Detector. This multifunctional tool combines the capabilities of a stud finder, metal detector, and wire tracker, making it versatile for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. It features dual detection alerts, sound and visual, ensuring you never miss a hidden object, even in noisy environments. Its customizable sensitivity settings allow you to fine-tune detection based on your surface and depth, which is great for drywall and even tougher materials like concrete. The ergonomic design is lightweight and easy to handle, making extended use comfortable. While it offers pro-level precision, detecting small metal objects, studs, and live AC cables, the LED display is basic compared to higher-ranked models. Build quality is solid, with durable plastic ensuring it can handle wear and tear during home improvement projects. However, a lack of advanced features like LCD displays or multiple scanning modes limits its appeal for more complex tasks. Overall, the Python Grips scanner is a solid choice at $18.99, offering a reliable solution for detecting studs, wires, and pipes. If you need a straightforward and affordable tool for basic remodeling or safety checks, this one is worth considering. Pros include versatility and ease of use, but cons include limited advanced features and a slightly dated design. Coming in at number 4 is the DeWalt Stud Finder, DW0100. DeWalt is a trusted name in tools, and this stud finder delivers reliable performance with center find technology, helping you effortlessly locate the center of wood and metal studs. With a detection depth of 3/4 inches and live wire detection, it adds an extra layer of safety to your projects. The constant auto-calibration feature is a time saver, and its slim profile makes it easy to maneuver and store. The directional LED arrows provide clear visual guidance, while the audible alert lets you pinpoint stud locations with confidence. Build quality is excellent, as expected from DeWalt, with a sturdy metal and plastic frame designed for durability. However, it lacks multiple scanning modes or an LCD display, which are features found in higher-priced models. At 5.88 inches long and weighing just 0.01 ounces, it's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for small to medium projects. Priced at $14.39, this model is a no-nonsense option for users seeking simplicity and reliability without breaking the bank. Pros include its ease of use, durability, and trusted brand reputation. Cons include limited depth detection and fewer advanced features compared to some competitors. At number 3, we have the MiPro Stud Finder Wall Scanner 5-in-1. This tool stands out for its high-tech features, including an upgraded microsensor chip for precise detection of wood, metal, joists, pipes, and live AC wires. It offers multiple scanning modes: stud scan, AC scan, and metal scan, making it versatile for different materials and depths. The automatic calibration feature ensures accuracy with every use, while the live wire detection provides an added layer of safety. The bright LCD display is easy to read, showing details like battery life, center and edge locations, and more. Coupled with audio alerts, it's highly user-friendly, even in low-light settings. The ergonomic design and non-slip grip make it comfortable for extended use, and its durable plastic frame ensures long-term reliability. However, at $19.10, it comes at a slightly higher price point compared to simpler models, and its advanced features might be overkill for casual users. This stud finder is ideal for homeowners and professionals who need precision and versatility in their projects, such as installing TV mounts or cabinets. Pros include its advanced scanning modes, detailed display, and safety features. Cons include its slightly bulkier design and higher cost. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Craftsman Stud Finder, CMHT 77633. the budget-friendly option on this list. At just $9.59, it's the most affordable stud finder here. But don't let the price fool you. It's a reliable tool for basic tasks. With a detection depth of 3/4 inches, it easily locates edges of wood and metal studs. It's designed to work on surfaces covered in wallpaper or fabric, making it versatile for home use. The shock-resistant and water-resistant plastic body ensures durability, even in challenging conditions. While it lacks advanced features like LCD displays or multiple scanning modes, its simplicity makes it ideal for users who need a straightforward tool for light projects. The Craftsman Stud Finder does require batteries, which are not included, but its lightweight design, 3.2 ounces, makes it easy to handle. This model is perfect for homeowners on a budget who need to hang shelves or picture frames. Pros include affordability, durability, and ease of use. Cons include limited depth detection and the absence of features like live wire detection or center marking. If you're looking for an entry-level stud finder, this is a great choice. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Jaxwecue Stud Finder Wall Scanner, the premium option on this list. Priced at $21.99, this 5-in-1 tool offers unparalleled accuracy and versatility. Equipped with an intelligent microsensor chip, it quickly detects wood, metal, pipes, and live wires, saving time and effort. The multiple scanning modes, stud scan, deep scan, and metal scan, make it suitable for a wide range of projects, from simple home improvements to professional installations. The HD LCD display is bright and backlit, providing clear information on stud position, battery life, and more. Audio alerts and beeping sounds further enhance usability, ensuring precise detection even in low-light environments. The ergonomic design and durable build quality make it comfortable for extended use, while the included batteries add convenience right out of the box. Ideal for professionals and serious DIYers, this stud finder is the perfect combination of advanced features and user-friendliness. Pros include its intelligent chip, multiple modes, and high-visibility display. Cons are limited to its higher price point, but for the features offered, it's well worth the investment. If you want the best stud finder on the market, the Jaxwecue Wall Scanner is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description if you're ready to make your purchase.